Hello friends, in this video I'll be showing you how to get headless horseman in Roblox for free. So you don't have need to spend 31,000 Robux for horseman headless. So basically, if you think of spending 31,000 on this item, it's bit too much, and you can't spend on a single item this amount. So how can you get this for free? So I'm gonna guide you, so, and you will get it, guys, and it works like a pro. So you just need to be patient. So first of all, guys, what you need to do, you have to search for a Roblox player, and once you here, right click on it and go to open and file location. So in this, again, you have to right click on it and go to open file location again. And now in this folder, you have to go to content here and then go to avatar. So now you just need to go to click on this heads and press Control X to cut this folder and paste it somewhere that you want. So I'm going to paste it here. Fine. So now what you need to do, you just need to open your game here and just click on Roblox icon and click on reset character, again reset character, and see if the effects works or not. So it will remove the head. So it will actually remove the head from your avatar, or maybe I need to close this game and restart the game again. So then it might work. So let me do that. So let's leave it and let's run this game again, or we can play any game to see the effect. I think I need to close this Roblox player and run it again to see the effect. We have to. And let's play my favorite game in this mayhem motorcycle. Let's play this game. And as you can see, that guys has had been removed. So what you can do is you have to remove this hair from your avatar and the specs or the glasses from the avatar, and it will work like a headless horseman. Now you can just change your costume to horseman, and you will look similar to the horseman headless. So let's do that. Let me claim this, and now let me go back to my avatar, go to head and body and hair, and let me unselect this one. And also in the accessories, let me go back to face accessories, and let's unselect this one also. We can choose the body skin tone, and we can choose to black as well. We can choose the clothes that is similar to the that is very similar to the. So I don't have those clothes, so you can try out. Yeah, let's try this, one of them. And fine. Let's select these items and now go back to your game and let's reset your game here, or at least reset your character. So I may need to leave this game. Let me leave this game. This Roblox player again. Now, guys, you just need to go back to your game. Boom, guys, we finally remove our uh, head from the character and it looks like a headless horseman. So you can change the clothes as that looks similar to the